Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to zoom in and zoom out on your videos on your CapCut PC. So let's get started. So here we are in CapCut, and from here what you want to do first is import your clip just like mine right here, and all you have to do basically to import your clip is just drag it into CapCut just like this one right here, or you can just click on the import button right here, and once you're done with that, then you can now start by dragging your clip into your timeline. Or if you already have your clip in your timeline, then all you have to do now is select that clip that you want to zoom in or zoom out. So for example, we want to zoom in this clip and we want to begin, so we're gonna position our playback head, this one right here, at the beginning, because we want it in the beginning to start zooming in. Or if you want it in the middle, then you can position it in the middle right here, but we want this in the beginning, so it's in the beginning. And after that, then we can now browse here in the options right here, and we're gonna go for scale. So we're gonna click on this keyframe so that there would be a keyframe right here, so keyframe on the beginning, and then as it progresses we want to go here and we want it by 150%, zoomed in by 150% right here when it reaches this time. And then when we play that, we can see that it's now zoomed in just like that. Or if you want the opposite, then you can just go for this one right here. You can go for 150 in the beginning, and then when you reach this point right here, then you can go for 100 right here. And as you can see, it's completely opposite right there. And while you are scaling, you can also position your uniforms, this movement right here. You can go for this one. You can also keyframe the movement. So from here we're gonna go and in the position, we're gonna keyframe this in the beginning. So in the beginning it's gonna be like this, and then as it progresses I want it to be like this one right here, and you can see that it will be moving in such a way. And as you can see, that is how you zoom in or zoom out on CapCut PC. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.